In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card from Dhgate. If your card is expired, you're switching banks, or you simply don't want payment details saved, this quick walkthrough will help you remove it safely. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Make sure you're on the official site. Log into your account using your credentials. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that prompt as well, so you can access your account settings without interruptions. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page for the My Dhgate area. Click it to open your personal dashboard. This is where your orders, account details, and payment options are organized. Inside your dashboard, locate the section labeled Payment Methods or Wallet. Depending on the latest interface, you might see payment methods listed directly, or you might see wallet first with payment options inside it. Go ahead and open that section so you can view every card currently saved to your account. Next, find the specific card you want to remove. Cards are usually listed with the brand and the last four digits, so double check you're selecting the correct one. If you have several cards, take a moment to confirm the billing label or nickname so you don't delete the wrong method by mistake. When you're ready, click Remove or Delete next to that card. The wording can vary slightly, but both do the same thing. They detach the card from your profile, so it can't be used for future checkouts. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This step prevents accidental changes. Confirm the removal, and keep an eye out for any on-screen message indicating the card was successfully deleted. In some cases, the site may ask you to verify with a quick code or re-enter your password. That's normal and is there to protect your account. After confirming, verify that the card no longer appears in your payment methods or wallet list. If the page still shows the old entry, refresh your browser. Seeing it disappear is your confirmation that the card has been removed. That's all there is to it. Open dhgate.com, log in, go to My Dhgate, open payment methods or wallet, find the card, click remove or delete, and confirm. If you ever need to update your details later, you can add a new card during checkout or from the same section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your saved payment methods quickly and securely.